Spun bond honeycomb shades are not only beautiful and energy efficient, they're also easy to clean, which is why they are a perfect choice for high traffic areas in the home. In this video, we will demonstrate how easy it is to clean your spun bond honeycomb shades, because we all know daily life can sometimes be messy. Let's use an example that we can all relate to, your most beloved condiment. We'll show you a cleaning method that will help prevent permanent stains on your beautiful honeycomb shades. We'll start by removing the shade from the window. Immerse the shade in lukewarm water with mild detergent. Be sure to avoid getting the headrail wet. Wash the affected area by gently swishing the water around with your fingers. Rinse the shade with clear water. Then close the shade before removing it from the rinse water. Next, hold the rails and tilt the shade to allow excess water to drain. Reinstall the damp shade into the window opening and lower the shade all the way to allow it to dry completely. That's it! Once the shade is dry, your honeycomb shade should look as good as new. Please note, this cleaning process is not recommended for blackout honeycomb shades, tri-light shades, hybrid pleat, or dimension shades. Do not immerse the rails on fabric wrapped shades, cordless lift and lock shades, or automated shades.